Good morning, good morning. Well, I just got back into town a couple days ago. Got the first little mod on the truck here. Went ahead, got me a nice little tip on there. I took the resonator out, get the tip on there, and I went with it's a Magnaflow, dual in, single out. I could not stand the way the factory exhaust sounded, so I had to get it done. And I'm finna do a little cold start real quick. This thing's been sitting overnight. Do a little cold start. I think she sounds pretty good. After coming in, leaving a vehicle that already had a dual exhaust on it, I couldn't keep this one stopped for too long. I think the guy did a pretty good job. He was pretty quick about it. But yeah, I think it sounds really good. I like the way the tip looks in the back. Looks pretty nice. Have my customized tag on there. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in the next one.